Hi, it's Alan from SpinX Vitality. This is day 4 of 45, and in the second part of day 4, we're learning upper body. This morning we did legs in the bed. Now we're doing upper body on the terrace or the fitness center. So upper body will consist of chest press, chest fly, low elbow row, high elbow row, snap downs, rotation elbow rows, tricep extension, and bicep curls, all using our friend the bands. An entire workout of the bands. Some you're facing in, some you're facing out. You'll see. We'll just continue on. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose as you work. Breathe in, breathe out. Tighten. Breathe in, breathe out. Tighten, 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 tighten. That's going to be the concept. All right? Enjoy. Okay, our first exercise is going to be chest press. All right, grab your bands. 1, 2. The other end of the band is connected to a stationary object, which allows us to create our own tension and resistance as much as we want. All right? So I'm going to come in underneath, come in, and I can tighten up, I can loosen up. I think that's what I want right there. Okay, chest press. Breathe in, relax. Breathe out and work. Breathe in, relax, out and work. Ready? Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Next, we'll do chest fly. Come out to the side. If you can't extend your arms, it's fine. We're going to rotate the chair so we can. And let's hope we can get the same angle. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Good. Okay, next is the low elbow row. We're going to turn around and face a different direction. Okay, now we're working some rows. We're working the back of the arms, the back of the shoulders, and the back. Okay, stay with me. Rows. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 One more. Breathe in, breathe out. Excellent. Now, high elbow rows. Lift your elbows up high. Pull them back. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Working. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Next is snap down. Straighten your arms and pull them behind you. Breathe out as you come down. Lean forward. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 In, out. In, out. In, out, in, out. 3 more. In, out, in, out, in, out. Good. Okay, turn around. Let's take a quick water break. Okay, next exercise. Take one end of the band and hold it in your right hand. Take the part of the band where your foot can step on it and step on it. So the band is about chest height. Your left leg is stepping on it, acting as a anchor. Your left hand grabs the band up or down, depending on the resistance you want, and place your left forearm on your left top of your left knee. Place your left forearm on top of your left knee, and then bring it up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Your right hand is on your right thigh for support if you want. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You're isolating your left bicep. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Switch. Sitting tall, breathe in, breathe out. 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 One more, breathe in, really squeeze, breathe out, squeeze. Good. This time you're going to do thumb up. Thumb up. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. 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 One more. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Right hand. Thumb is up. Breathe. Thumb is up. Thumb is up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Get a good grip on it. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 One more. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Last one. Open your palm. Wrap it around. Knuckles up. Knuckles up. Breathe in. Knuckles up. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 One more. Relax. Breathe in. Tighten, tighten. Breathe out. Good.